Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol and welcome to Lohen Mini. Now I'm here with Charlie Clubman because earlier on today we fitted a beautiful set of OZ Super Turismo Evoluzione wheels and Michelin PS4S tyres, and I think you'll agree she's looking rather magnificent. But after we finished fitting the tyres, the guys were like, well, while you're here, would you like to put the Clubman on our rolling road and just see how much performance you have? Now, the stock figures for this car are 306 PS and 450 Newton meters. So I think this should be quite interesting. So please put in the comments below right now, before you watch any more of the video, what do you think we're gonna get? Are we gonna get more than 306 PS or less? Should be interesting. I'm really hoping for a bit more. Now the thing about rolling roads is they are very, very loud, so I'll do my best to kind of get some action, but Jack's going to basically see what we can get out of this car and be very kind of easily allowed to understand. Look out there. The fact is cool. Yeah. I think this should be good. The moment of truth. I'm so excited. I hope I'm not going to be disappointed.
Two eighty on the first one, 407.
Yeah.
287, 403, and 284, 405.
What?
It is hard.
Who's just stolen all of my horses?
The heat is still with horses.
Like 280.
It's like really?
Oh man, that's really interesting. 2.8, what was it?
287, 284.
It's alright, so we go 285, right? Always go high. But it should be 306.
Yeah, well, the big change will be the heat. The heat will take most of the horsepower away. You come back like on a colder day in the winter, February time, and you'll notice that difference. You'll see it in the back.
Yeah. That's my excuse.
Yeah.
It's too hot.
It is hot.
I'm going to come back a freezing cold day, around 350 horsepower, freezing cold day. Or I have a sneaky, what you're going to do, I reckon you set that low so that I now come back and put a stage 1 on it. I think that's a sales marketing gimmick by Lohen.
It could work.
But the wheels did look awesome
Yes.
on the move.
they did.
Yes. Thank you very much for making I'm mildly disappointed, but I understand. So 285. I'd love to have seen what you put at the beginning, because I reckon I was going 310. You
I said 320.
320. Because you think when we did the Roadster was meant to be 211 and it did 248.
Yeah, massive difference.
Well, there you go. Anyway, massive thanks to the guys at Lohen for a little surprise video. I'm going to shout out to Rebecca over there, which is hiding. But yeah, and I'll do this so you've got the Lohen details behind. So yeah, that was brilliant fun. But yeah, I'm very surprised. I'm going to go home now and sulk. Definitely. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this brief extra video. If you have done so, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped for plenty more content to come. You never know, I'll be back soon. What we do need to do is put some Lohen stickers on the car before I leave.
Yes, that's strategy.
Definitely. Yes, yeah, so they're not on wonky.
Yeah.
Put them on wonky on roofs. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one guys, you take care.